Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. I'm going to carry on making some things for our communal collage. So I thought we could maybe do some insects to add to our scenery. I've done a couple of butterflies here, really basic shapes, so triangles here basically, and the body shape, and then I've stuck a couple of wee other shapes on to make the wings a wee bit more interesting. I've done it kind of clunky and basic, but feel free to go for it and do it as detailed as you'd like, and you can add bits with pen or paint to get a bit more character onto them, and think about other insects as well, not just butterflies. You could do moths, you could do ladybirds, spiders, you know, anything that inspires you. So I have another little one started down here. I've just done two orangey bits, two different oranges for the body, and stuck some legs on. I've got a face here that I've put a couple of rosy cheeks, and then I drew the eyes in with a black pen because I couldn't face cutting out a tiny circle like that. It's too fiddly. So I'm going to stick his head on. I've got a couple of antennae, that's the right word. I'll stick those on. Oh. I want you to have a lot of fun with this and really go for it and make it colourful, pattern, textured. Oh, I'm now sticking on wings, which I have pre-cut out and then added a little dot at the top, but again, they're pretty basic, so feel free to make yours more elaborate. Two wings. So there we go, another little creature down there. So have fun and go for it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you produce. Thanks a lot, bye.